Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Deepseek, the server busy problem. Please try again later. So, you can be encountering this error when trying to access Deepseek services. So, the first and most straightforward solution is to wait and retry. So, you'll have to just wait for a while, then navigate to Deepseek again. Just go to any browser, type in deepseek.com and then log in using your user credentials and see if this problem gets solved or not. Now, another way to solve this problem is checking your internet connection. Simply scroll down at the top of your mobile bar and see if this shows connected under your Wi-Fi bar. If it says no internet or connected without internet, then you need to fix your internet. If you're using a mobile data, then make sure that mobile data is working and it shows the working bar at the top. So checking your connection is a good step because a poor connection might cause repeated requests that could contribute to server issues on the Deepseek's end. Now, another way to solve this problem is clearing the browser cache. Simply click on the three-dotted icon at the top of your browser. Now, scroll down, click on Settings, scroll down and navigate to Site Settings. Here, scroll down and navigate to third-party cookies. Here, make sure you have allowed your third-party cookies, then go back, navigate to history. Now, you'll have to click on delete browsing data and here you'll have to just deselect browsing history. Make sure you have selected cookies and site data, cached images and files, then click on delete data. Now click on delete button here again and this will instantly delete your browsing cookies, caches that could result in corrupted sessions or cached errors. Now, after doing this, you can navigate to Deepseek again, refresh the page and see if it's working or not. Now, another way to solve this problem is restarting your device. Simply hold down your power button on your device, then click on restart and that could instantly solve this problem. Now, if the problem persists, check the server's status through the official channels like social media or status pages to get an update about server's status. So simply navigate to a new browser and type in Deepseek's server status. Hit enter. Now click on Deepseek service status. As you can see, Deepseek's server is up. There are no server errors right now. And if it is showing that the server is down, the only way to fix this problem will be wait for a while, then try logging back in. Also, avoiding peak times could be a solution because you could be accessing the service during high traffic hours. Also, one more way you can try is click on the three-lined icon at the top left of the screen, click on My Profile, click on Delete All Chats, then click on Confirm Deletion. This could instantly delete all the chat history or the cached files under chat that could result in this problem. So these were the simple and effective ways that you can try to fix the Deepseek's server busy problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.